Year 6, it's Missy from Miss Sheldon here. This week we're going to be focusing on angles, and we're going to start by calculating missing angles on a straight line.
Okay, so angles on a straight line always add up to 180, as you can see here. We're going to be looking at these today and finding the calculations.
So this can include any type of straight line, whether it's horizontal, this line here, vertical, going down, or diagonal. They always add up to 180. So we're going to show you a few examples. We're going to start with some nice easy ones. So as you can see here, I've got a horizontal line and I've been given the angle 52 degrees. Now I know that this angle and this angle must add together to make 180. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to minus the angle I've been given, which is 52. So I'm going to use the column method. I'm just going to quickly do this. So that's given me 128. Now 180 take away 52, which is this angle, gives me 128. So my missing angle must be 128 degrees. Now we're just going to show you that on a vertical line. It is exactly the same. My angles, A and B, 1 and 2, are going to add together to make 180 degrees. Now I've been given 110 degrees, so I'm going to take 180, I'm going to minus 110, and that will give me the value of this angle here. So I'm going to use the column method again. My answer is 70, so this missing angle must be 70 degrees. Now as you can see, just to double check, I know that 70 add 110 equals 180, so both my angles are correct because they make 180. I'm going to do one more. This is a diagonal line. I've been given 150 degrees. I'm going to take 180 because I know that both those angles are going to make 180. I'm going to minus 150 using the column method. That leaves me with 30, so my missing angle must be 30 degrees. Now just to double check, 30 add 150 equals 180. Both my angles on my line add up to 180.
Okay, so sometimes we have slightly more difficult questions, and this includes when there is more than two angles on the straight line given. So we're going to show you this. This is a two-step problem. Miss Heath's going to be working it out for us now. So we've been given on the straight line 44 degrees and 89 degrees. Now, before we find out the missing angle, we need to add these two angles together. So Miss Heath's going to do that now, step one. So she's going to take the 89 and she's going to plus the 44. Okay, so we get the answer, 133. However, we are not done. That is just the answer to these angles added together. We now need to take that away, minus it from 180. So step 2. Minus the 133. We're showing you that we're using column method because obviously place value is important in Year 6. So the missing answer is 47 degrees. So that means that 47 degrees plus 89 degrees plus 44 degrees equals 180. If you wanted to double check that, you can add them all together to check that you get 180. So as you can see, that is a two-step problem. We're going to do that one more time. Okay, so once again, we've been given two angles, 65 and 40. We're going to do step 1 first because we need to find that missing angle. So step 1, 65 plus 40. Remember place value? And look at this, it's 100. See where we miscarried that over? 105. Okay, now we're not done though. We need to do step 2 because that is just the answer to these two added together. Okay, so now we're going to minus that answer from 180. 180 minus 105. And our answer is 75, so that must be the missing angle. Now, if you wanted to double check that, you can add all the angles together and you should get 180. Miss Heath is going to demonstrate that now.
So 5 add 0 add 5 is 10. I'm going to put my 0 here, carry my 1 over. 6 add 4 is 10, add 7 is 17, add 1 is 18. So all of our angles correctly add up together to make 180.
Okay, Year 6, we're done now. If you get stuck at all, go back, rewind and pause. Bye!
Good luck!